New for 2020 is this 5-inch shallow minnow from Slammer Tackle. This thing is a great early season bait, but also it's a great bait for anybody that's looking to use a shallow presentation. This thing, you could probably keep it, I mean, a traditional retrieve, you're gonna probably get it in that 2 to 3 foot range. But what's nice about this one, you can cast it out there and you can just pop it up on your first few rips of your cast. Pop it up and rip it up, and it'll stay in that foot. So if your weeds are, you know, whatever, topping out a foot down, you can still work this one right over the top. For a little crankbait, this thing has a really aggressive wobble, especially if you twitch it, you can almost get it to dance side to side a little bit. It's a really versatile tool. I think it's going to be a great bait this season, not only early season, but like I said, shallow presentations and trolling. This is going to be a great bait too. If you're looking to troll shallow anything, this is going to cover it. I'm sure if you added some weight to it, you could probably get it down a little bit deeper too. The one good thing about this shallow minnow, it's available in about 30 different colors at Team Rhino Outdoors. You can check out our extensive color lineup. We have it covered from stained water to clear water to anything in between. We got you covered. So for 2020, if you're looking for something that hasn't been on the market and not in a lot of anglers' hands, check out the shallow minnow from Slammer Tackle. It's affordable. And the other thing I didn't tell you too, it's built tough. This thing is through wire constructed, solid plastic, so it's built to withstand the punishment. Check it out this year.